In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access apps. Over here. Now select the dual apps and click on Create. Finally, you can click on gray sweaters next to supported apps that you wish to clone and select Turn on in the pop-up. Or tap one of the recommended apps and click on this sweater next to dual apps to clone it. If you decided to clone one of the recommended apps, you can always adjust all of those options as well by clicking on the chosen one and picking one of the available options. Always ask default app or dual app. So finally, when I go back and check my apps, I can see that both were successfully cloned. If you wish to delete those clones, go back to the same settings and click on No Blue Sweaters. Then confirm your choice in the pop-ups. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!